need to make more money online? Do you need more leads in order to do that? Well, frankly, if you're watching my videos, you're probably interested in making money online. And you probably also need more leads because like everybody needs more leads. That's what it's all about in this business. It's a numbers game. The more people that you have on your email list who are interested in buying stuff, the more likely you are to actually make real money. Now, you could go out and try the traditional way of getting leads. You could give solo ads, you could put out advertising, you could create your own products, whatever it is. Or you could try a brand new method that my buddy Jeremy just came up with, which really blew my mind. I'm going to tell you about it coming up in my review of auto lead. So we're looking right now at the sales page for auto lead machine. This is from my friend Jeremy Kennedy. Now, Jeremy is one of the masters of making money online. He's been in this business a long time. One of the big success stories in the industry. You can see right here, this is recent stuff, past 90 days, over $12,000 earned. And this is all, by the way, affiliate sales. This is not from being a vendor. A lot of people show you vendor sales, and the vendor sales are not necessarily indicative of everything, because vendor sales, a lot of the money goes to an affiliate. This is money that he actually has in his pocket over the past 90 days just from Warrior Plus. Okay, and a lot of that is because, check this thing out here. Look at this, 997 new leads added in a very short period of time. It's truly an incredible thing here. March 22nd, 89 brand new leads. Okay, this is a constant thing for him. And I've been watching the videos and I was like amazed at this method that he came up with. Okay, I'm going to show you the members area a little bit more in just a moment. But before I do want to tell you about my customers, because after all, this would not be a Man Hat review without having an insane custom bonus. Yeah, dude, I know you're the man hat also. I get it. You can do your hat trick. Hey, I can do the hat trick also. Check this out. See, I do the hat trick too. But right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So just go away. But seriously, check this out. First and foremost, and you can see, by the way, I'm preparing this as I'm recording this video. So obviously you can see this is my back end. I just finished putting all these together. So first of all, find emails for anybody on LinkedIn. This is really cool because LinkedIn is a business to business social network. And if you're trying to make money, your best bet is going to be to go to LinkedIn. A lot of people ignore LinkedIn. That is a mistake. Go to LinkedIn. You can find people looking to spend money, and they have more money to spend on LinkedIn than they do when you go to your typical Facebook or TikTok or whatever, where they're basically just, scrolling to look at cat videos or something. But we're still not done yet, of course, because after all, one single bonus would definitely not be a really good bonus. In fact, that would probably be a pretty crappy bonus.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Dude, yeah, thank you for that. But the fact of the matter is that I actually will be putting in a lot of bonuses here, and your comments are not welcome, Bart. Okay, just go away. But seriously, check this out. Instant video source created just posted for you. Tell the AI what you want, and create the content. Even post it to YouTube for you. That's really cool. How about a lawyer on your desktop? Now they officially say, by the way, they're not officially a lawyer because legally they can't say that. They give you like a lot of legal advice. Really cool system. They can give you a lot of legal documents instantly created for you. Transferring your images instantly with this new AI, which can take you to the next level. Hundreds of different sketch. Now, this is a sketch version of a video of an image I created with the different AI, which I'm going to tell you about in just a moment. Basically, what I did was I simply told it to turn it into a sketch image, and that's what it created for me. So I'm not done yet. As I said, I created this image using nothing but my voice. Didn't have to write anything. Literally, you can watch me as I'm recording the video, creating this image. That is very cool. I haven't kind of obsessed with chickens. We have chickens in our backyard after the whole thing with eggs being crazy priced a few months ago. I was glad that last summer we decided to go and get chickens. We've had them for about a year, and we never lack for fresh eggs. They're great. They're a lot of fun actually. Every time I walk out to the backyard, they come running looking for treats. It's fun. So I'm kind of obsessed with chickens. So the chickens in space, and that was basically what it came up with in the AI. I'm still not done yet though, because after all, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you do need to have a tremendous amount of content. And boy, do I have a lot of stuff to give you, by the way. And by the way, everything does come with full PLR rights.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Liz. That's very kind of you to say. I do really appreciate that, but maybe I can get back to my video now and you can stop interrupting me. But seriously, check this out. How about a brand new course on a website that I found, which allows you everything with social media. This thing will allow you to publish multiple sites, schedule most, and it's free forever. Yeah, really. Okay. How about this one? A brand new system that creates podcasts for you in seconds on any subject imaginable. Okay, and I really love this. You can actually play on here a sample video of the podcast that I created in seconds. How about creating a song instantly from an image or a video? Very cool stuff. Basically, take an image, send it to the AI, and it'll create a song around it. And how about creating instant pop songs? I created some really cool songs that I still love. I did this a few months ago, and I still love the songs I created. I can't believe that these are AI generated. They sound like a pop song, like anybody else might have created. Really incredible stuff. Still not doing it though. How about creating perfect videos every single time without the need to camera? No need to speak, no need to write scripts. Pretty much do nothing, and it creates this for you. By the way, again, everything has the full PLR rights, which means you can sell my courses, you can give them away, use them as your own bonus. Nobody else gives you this kind of value. We're still not done yet. How about my guide to adding green screen content to your videos without spending extra dime? I've done this many times. Really cool stuff. How about liberating chatbots, an uncensored chatbot that is not controlled by big tech, that you actually run on your own computer, and it just will work, will do whatever you ask it to do. There's no censorship on it whatsoever. Or how about this? How about how to find 1 minute how to generate for any books that you want to create? Or how about the secret of my success, how to create killer VSLs? This is really important stuff. Creating a video sales letter is one of the big skills that you need in order to make money online. And this is one of my best courses ever. Really good stuff. So let's check out the members area real quick here. You can see here, he's going to show you step by step how to get started with this whole thing. And then he's going to give you every single detail, including setting up your autoresponder, the whole 9 yards. All of the details are here to create this thing. He's also included a bonus, the $200 traffic test. This was a great course also that I actually promoted when he put it out about a year ago, I guess it must be. Really quality stuff here. When Jeremy does something, he doesn't go halfway. By the way, this thing does have one deal of the day. I'm kind of late to the game. I should have done this on Friday. Got busy on Friday, so Sunday afternoon, I finally got making this video. Really cool stuff. Now let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator right now.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you're the man. This is really awesome stuff. I am so impressed with this. Huge tip of my hat. The guy behind me, if he wasn't painting, he'd be giving a tip of my hat. The other guy behind me, he's tuning his horn saying, yes, grab this thing. This is good. You're going to love it.